Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign up Telegram without phone number. Good news is that once your Telegram account is set up, you can use Telegram without a phone number or verification code. In a nutshell, you are not able to create a Telegram account without a phone number but can use Telegram without a phone number. First, to create a Telegram account without providing your actual number, why not get a virtual phone number for Telegram? Here are two ways you can do so. First, you need to use the TextNow service. TextNow is a virtual phone number provider app available in the United States and Canada. The phone number TextNow provides can be used to sign up for a Telegram account. Second, get a Google Voice number. Google Voice needs an existing US phone number to function. Although you must supply your phone number to Google, you are not providing Telegram with your actual one. Google gives you a different number. It isn't the most secure solution, but it's quite handy. There are a few ways to use Telegram without a phone number. This section will cover all the detail with their step-by-step guidelines. First, link Telegram to another device. Same as WhatsApp, Telegram allows you to access your account across devices with the link device feature. By using this way, you are able to log in to Telegram without entering a phone number as long as you have a Telegram account. Here the step-by-step guide. Open the Telegram app on your mobile phone. Then navigate to the settings and tap Devices. Now tap on the link devices and it will ask you to scan the QR code. This time, open web.telegram.org or the Telegram desktop app. Use your smartphone to scan the on-screen code and you're done to use Telegram without a phone number. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.